guys, welcome back to Cheers.
Hi, we have another favorites video for you for
For the month of March.
March. I almost said May.
Oh my gosh, she always gets her
I really do
for the fave.
And I make my kids say the date every day.
What's today?
Mostly because I have no idea.
What's the day?
Tell me.
But yeah, if you guys want to see what our favorites were for the month of March, then just keep
watching.
watching.
Okay, so my first favorite of the month is the Garnier SkinActive Micellar water, and it's the all-in-one version, and it's for sensitive skin as well. But I got it because I recently got eyelash extensions because I'm trying them out for my wedding.
Got them lashes for them, girl.
Most of them are gone. So don't look at that.
Wait, how long have you had it on for?
About like 2.5 weeks, 2 weeks.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah,
that's like average.
Average, yeah. So the lady told me that you can't use like oils to clean your eyes, which I usually do. You guys know that I use the micellar water with the oil because I like waterproof mascara, but I don't have to wear mascara with lash extensions. So she actually recommended this to me and I've been loving it. Like,
Did she give you this as a sample?
No, I actually got it from my sister. She gave it to me as like a stocking stuffer in Christmas. I just never opened it.
Oh, that's clutch.
Yeah, so I was like, oh, I have it. I don't have to go buy a new one. But I really like it because you can get like super close into your eyes and it doesn't really hurt. And like it definitely feels like something's going in your eye, but like it's not like the oil where like you open your eyes and you just see like oil everywhere. But yeah, like so I feel like I'm really cleaning my lashes because that's what I was afraid of, like the hygiene of it. But so far so good, and I've been enjoying that.
Yeah. Mine, to stick with skin products, is a sunscreen, and this one is from COSRX, and it's the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. And I know for like the past, I think almost 2 years, our favorite has been the Innisfree sunblock.
Yeah.
But I recently gave this a try because I heard good reviews about it, and this one, it does still have a bit of like a cast to your skin, but not as much as the Innisfree one. But what I really like about it is the smooth, creamy finish it has. So like I dabbed a little bit onto my skin here, and as you can see, like it just has like
that looks like a primer.
Yeah, it does. It feels so silky smooth.
Ooh, that feels hydrating.
So it does hydrate as well, and it does, since it has the aloe property in there, and it smells really clean. Yeah. And so it's SPF 50
plus
SPF 50 plus, and it says that it's formulated with aloe extract, and the sun cream protects against UVA and UVB rays while hydrating skin. So yeah, I've been really liking it.
Is that a physical sunscreen? If it's UVA and UVB?
I don't think it's as physical. I'm not quite sure on that one. I'll have to get back to you. We'll leave it in the description box below. But that's definitely something I was going to look up and then I forgot. I'm sorry, guys. I just
we'll
was
put
like,
it down.
Yeah, I was just like, I really like this. I want to share it. Yeah.
Oh yeah. And hey, sunblock is better than no sunblock. So
and also, since it does have like a more like creamy moisturizing end to it, I noticed that it doesn't have as powdery of a finish as the Innisfree one.
Yeah.
And so I noticed that throughout the day with the Innisfree, like it can get a little bit gunky up in like the cracks of your skin, so especially like in the corners of my nose.
And if you like smile like your lines, it like settles for me.
Oh yeah. I didn't. It was just more around here for me for Innisfree. I haven't noticed that
like
too
no
much.
lines. So cool. She talks like this.
No smiling ever. This is a great product.
Okay, I'm gonna stick with the skincare terrain. This is the TonyMoly banana cream foam cleanser, and it smells
like bananas.
Okay, like it's not.
Dang, that's bananas.
Okay, this, I have a nostalgia like memory tied to this, but before that, this is pretty different from any foaming cleanser I've used. Like it still foams up really well, but it says it's a cream and it literally feels like a cream. Like it's thick and the foam that you get is really like luxurious. Like it's very
foamy.
Yeah, like mini bubbles like everywhere.
Oh,
Whereas
weird.
like the other ones, it's like foamy, but the bubbles are bigger. This is like creamy, so it feels like you know, making your skin soft and stuff. But it smells like banana kick. Like
The chips.
the chips. Like if you don't know what that is, I'll try to find a picture. And put it right here.
Yeah.
But it's like this Korean snack. It's called banana kick. Banana kick.
Banana kick.
And it's like has this little kid like kicking a soccer ball, but like there's bananas on it.
Yeah.
And like
The consistency is like
a
Cheeto puff.
Yeah, it's a Cheeto puff, but it's banana flavor. Okay, it sounds really weird actually now that I'm talking about it.
Why?
Like a sweet chip. That's
Yeah.
a Cheeto.
Like Koreans really like their sweet snacks.
stuff. Yeah, I don't know.
So
oh my
even,
God, though.
I mean, like I was watching this one BuzzFeed video where the Americans are trying Korean snacks and they were like, why are all these chips so sweet? Like even the savory ones had a
because
bit of
we're
sweetness to them.
sweet. No, just kidding. But yeah, like that was my snack of choice if my mom like ever asked me and my sister to pick something out like from the grocery store, and I was like banana cake, banana cake.
Yeah.
So
I don't
yeah.
like it so much now, but I remember loving it. Like loving it when I was a kid.
Well, I like still love it. Well, not as much, but I still like it because of the
nostalgia.
Yeah, and I'm like, oh, I used to eat these little. But yeah, like they don't taste real at all. Like it's totally artificial banana, and this smells exactly like it. Like literally, it's exactly the same thing. Like you open the bag, and this is what it smells like.
So my next product is going to be by TIAM. It's the My Signature A Plus cream, and it's basically a vitamin C cream. And obviously it's in a darker container because you don't want any sunlight to penetrate or direct sunlight to penetrate your vitamin C products. Otherwise it just kind of deteriorates faster. But the reason I got this was because I've been recently using the vitamin C serum with Chanel, and I know Chanel's been really liking that. I've been really liking that. And because I've been really liking it, I was like, I want to add more vitamin C. I wanted to add more vitamin C into my skincare routine. And one day I actually got like a zit here, and then I squeezed it because it was bothering me so much and I just wanted it to go away.
It feels.
Yeah, so when I squeezed it, hyperpigmentation, and I was like, oh my gosh, my makeup's not covering it. So this finally came in the mail one day after maybe like the squeezing like scab had peeled over, so it was like at a better stage in its healing process, but there was still a lot of hyperpigmentation there. So I put this over it, and then the next day it was like significantly gone in regards to just like
see this.
Yeah, and then so basically within 2 days of using this, at least for me, the hyperpigmentation was gone.
Isn't this the same brand as?
Yeah, the same. It was like a package deal off of Jolse. I mean, it's not the biggest product, but since I don't have a lot of acne currently, what I use for this on a nightly basis is just under my eyes to brighten it, and it's been
like
working.
A spot type of treatment.
Yeah, exactly.
That's cool.
So I don't think you're supposed to use it as a spot treatment, but because it's so little,
Yeah.
I've been using it as a spot treatment.
Okay, last product for me is a makeup product. This is the new ColourPop Jelly Much eyeshadows. And I got this from Sierra, thanks girl, for Christmas. It's in the color Half Moon. And at first, like even seeing their Instagram and their website about it, like I was kind of like,
It doesn't look good.
I don't know about those.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Like all the jelly type
Yeah.
stuff, you're just like, is it like a gimmick or what? Girl, these are bomb. Like, it's not really jelly. It's like a
Squishy.
slime consistency.
Oh really?
Yeah, I'll show it to you. But it comes in like a little tub like this, like all of their eyeshadows do. It'd help if it was forward. Like that. And then you open it up, it's a twist off cap, and it has like a safety thing, because if you don't have that, it's gonna dry out. So it says keep me, and you better. But like you open it up and it's like yeah, it's like that. So if you left it this way for a while, I think it would all slowly just droop down. But it's really thick. Like it's,
Can I touch?
It's kind of like a paint almost.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Jakey.
Like a really thick paint.
Excuse me, Jakey. So I just grabbed like the smallest amount, but
yeah, here's a swatch.
Zang, that is like paint.
Yeah, and girl, like turn it.
There's so much like reflex in that.
It's really pretty.
There's like some reddish, like bricky red, but also very purpley reflex in there.
Yeah, it's really gorgeous. And like the reason why I'm putting this into my favorites is anytime I want like a pop of like glitter or color, I've been using this. I've usually been using like I normally would have used the regular Super Shock shadows, the squishy ones that ColourPop has. But those things, like they're so pretty, but they crease on me so fast because I have like hooded eyes. This, I swear, it does not crease at all. Like
Well, how does it dry on you?
Well, I kind of have to like go like this while it dries. But it's like, it feels comfortable like any other eyeshadow. It's not thick or anything.
Yeah.
But like, I swear to you, like, I'm serious guys, I have the oiliest, most creasy eyelids in the whole world. Even with primer. I don't use any primer with this and it doesn't crease. Like I've worn this for like almost 9 hours. And like at night it looked the same as when I put it on.
It kind of like paints, I don't know if it's the red from me scrubbing it off with the napkin or if it's like the eyeshadow, but it leaves like a red tint.
Yeah, it kind of stains, but again, if you use...
So if you can kind of see that.
Again, if you use makeup remover though, like it doesn't stain. But if you like use makeup remover, I've never experienced stainage. Stainage?
Any stains?
Yeah, any stains, and like it's just been awesome. Like I want to get more colors. Cause you know, like it's also one of those things where some colors like don't.
For the accent color, like a rose gold or something,
right?
Like a light one.
Cause yeah, this is definitely not like an everyday color for me. Hence, like my everyday makeup right now is no makeup with just eyebrows and foundation. But yeah, like when I'm, you know, getting them done, I like having stuff like that. So a different color might be really nice.
Yeah. Okay, my last one is also a makeup product. This one is from 3CE, which is a makeup product by Style Nanda. It's a Korean brand, and the packaging on it I really, really like. It's like, it's really simple in regards to like the shape of it, but I really like the texture of the packaging. It's like a matte satin finish.
Mod.
And then it's really close in regards to like the actual color of the lipstick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are all of them like that?
Yeah. Well, at least this line.
Yeah.
So this particular color is number 220, Hit Me Up. And I have it on my lips today. I really, really like this like bricky terracotta color, but like this is like the first one where it's a little bit more brown for me than I've had before, and I've been digging it. Like I'm a little bit late on the train because it's springtime now, but I've been really liking it.
You can still rock that.
Yeah, because it's like nude.
I also feel like it's a summertime color to wear with like orangey stuff.
Kind of, but usually for me during the spring and summertime, I always tend to go for like the lip that Chanel's wearing.
Or yeah, bright.
Yeah. This one is a matte finish, so if you do have like drier lips, I don't know if I'd necessarily recommend it to you, but it is less drying than a liquid matte lipstick.
Yeah.
So I've been really, really liking it because my lips do tend to get dry. And yeah, I've been really, really liking this color if you want to see a closer up. Those were our favorites for the month. We hope you like some of our favorites, and if you have any favorites that you want to share with us so we know what to try, leave it down in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a like.
And subscribe to our channel because we always make new videos every week and we'd love to see it's slowly growing.
It is.
Slowly
really
but surely, and everybody's so nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Anyways, we hope you have a good week, and until then,
cheers
to a good week.
Bye
Bye guys.